Hey guys, it's me, Josh, again, here back. I'm gonna do an Airsoft toy review, so, yeah. Vinny, shut up, thanks for disturbing me already. So, yeah, I'm gonna review them on this floor, and hope you enjoy, hope the lighting is better, so, sorry, let's get to it. Hope you enjoy. So, first up,
Yeah, we're here.
Is my golden airsoft gun. It is the what is it? P228 Switzerland, and I love it. It's just a great gun. As you can see, I spray painted it. I colored on it, black marker.
Who cares?
The color. Shoot. Here. Give me a minute, guys.
You know, he doesn't want us in this video.
So, I like
I'm gonna put on some lipstick.
how you cock it. It's very easy. It's got a good force to it. And then after that is my, what is it called? Beretta. So here you go, guys. I'll show it to you.
Oh, those are really good guns in real life.
Yeah, I'm aware of that. So I really like my Beretta. It's very rusty because my friend gave it to me because he thought it didn't shoot anything, but it does. And he found it in the forest because his backyard is basically a forest.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it is. I think so, at least. Because, like, you can have so much place to explore. But he gave that to me, and I love it, and it's a good gun. How you cock it is super simple. Oh, sorry, guys.
It's exactly like that gun.
Yeah, just a little different. Just sort of pull it back. And this thing could pinch you, which is annoying. Which I hate. I hate that it could pinch you. It's like, yeah.
Oh, the McDonald's school.
And it's
school
got-
bus. Not nice.
It's got
That's a nice school.
good power, and altogether these two guns are pretty good.
We should tell them what we're doing at school.